Hello and welcome to Legal Lens. Along with new topic recently, the Ministry of External Affairs S. Jaishankar clarified an issue regarding citizenship. Based on that, today I have brought a new topic as visualized in pinned passport, Aadhaar, or a voter card. If not, then a proof of citizenship. The Ministry of External Affairs has clarified that a passport is a travel document, not a proof of citizenship. This raises the question that if a passport, Aadhaar, voter ID, none of these are the final proof of Indian citizenship, then with which document should one prove their Indianness or Indianism? What is the conclusive proof after all? What did the government clarify regarding the passport? Under Section 20 of the Passport Act of 1967, the government can issue a passport to a non-citizen in the public interest. This cannot be considered as a proof of citizenship. Why are Aadhaar, PAN and voter ID not considered the final proof? Aadhaar can also be obtained by the foreign residents. PAN is given to non-citizens as well, and there can be error in the voter list. How is citizenship determined legally? Citizenship is determined under the Citizenship Act of 1955. It is based on birth, descent, registration, long-term residence, or integration or merge in a region in India. According to the law, a person born in India between January 26, 1950 and July 1, 1987 was considered an Indian citizen. For those born between July 1, 1987 and December 3, 2004, it is necessary to show that one of the parents was an Indian citizen at that time. For those born after 3 2004, the parents must be Indian, or one parent must be Indian and the other must not be an illegal or undocumented immigrant. The concept of single citizenship in the Indian Constitution was adopted from England, the United Kingdom. In the last, we can say this paradox is unsettling. Passports are guaranteed only after rigorous checks, including police verification. Why then should they not suffice? The answer itself laid down in India's legal status or entity. Citizenship is determined under the Constitution of India, Where Act of Part 2 of Article 5 to 11 and the Citizenship Act of 1955, which considers birth, descent, registration, naturalization or incorporation of territory. Thank you.